idea. You want to come inside? All right, let me give you a tour. All right, this is the front entryway here. And towards the back there is our garage. And here is the first bedroom. This is going to be Lucas's bedroom. He's going to have his own room for his very first time and his own bathroom. So you'll have to make sure he keeps that clean. But yeah, so I like this place. It's got really high ceilings. And this is tiled. This is the first floor. And it's tiled. The second floor and third floor are carpeted. But here you got a little walk-in closet. We also have like a little intercom system, which will be pretty handy, being that we're doing 3 floors here. All right, so we have a door here to this little area, which I am going to use as an office space. Let's see if we can get that to focus. It's having a little bit of a hard time focusing. But here you go. This is a nice little nook underneath the stairs that I'm gonna use as like a craft room, storage, and office. All right, and this leads out to the 2-car garage. We have our little minivan already packed up. We got some storm panels here because we're in South Florida and it's hurricane season, so those will come in real handy. And this is probably gonna be my favorite feature of this garage. It came with this shelving unit. You guys know I have lots of home decor and I store it in bins, and this will be perfect to be able to put all of my seasonal decor in. I also saw that they have this central vacuum system. If any of you guys have one of these, please let me know how to make it work. I don't see that we got a hose for it or anything, but if I can get one and it's gonna make it easier, then I'm all for it. But yeah, we are actually not going to use this as a garage. We're going to put the kids' playhouse here just because since we don't have a yard anymore, we're going to use this as a play area.
Upstairs, upstairs. Upstairs,
He's coming.
So don't take a video of that. Okay.
All right, guys, this is the main living area on the 2nd floor. And we're gonna use this, we're gonna probably get rid of these, and we're gonna use this as like a dining room and our living room. It is carpeted, so that's kind of freaking me out because the 3 boys, I'm probably gonna have to get like a rug or something to protect the carpet. But that is the plan for now. These bar stools came with the home. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep all of them. I might just keep 2. And here is the kitchen. It is pretty small, I will say that, but it's got some granite countertops and these really nice, tall kitchen cabinets. So even though it's smaller, because of the height of the counter or the cabinets, I'll be able to store more things in here. Alright. There's that in our fridge. And we have a little walk-in, or I'm sorry, not a walk-in closet, a pantry, a small pantry, which is about the size that we have right now. So we can make that work. And off here and over here by the kitchen, there's also across from it a laundry room closet. So it's very similar to the apartment we had before our current house that we are moving out of. So I'll be able to put like my vacuum cleaner there and it'll be nice. And moving along, this is a den area, they call it. We're going to use it as a playroom with 3 boys. They have lots of toys. They've already started playing in here. So we'll be doing like our game console right here and just lots of storage. And we also have a little futon that we can use for guests when they come. And yeah, we're really excited about this little den area. It'll be really nice to put this together for the boys. And the main living area bathroom right here. You guys know that I'm gonna add a frame to this mirror like I did in our old apartment. That was one of my popular videos when I did my bathroom makeover, and I'm gonna do that again. And I'll probably change out some of these fixtures, but lots of natural light. And we have another little storage closet right here, like a linen closet. And yeah. All right, so we have a little balcony out here. All right. And it's small, but it will still be nice to be able to hang out and put some of our patio chairs out here, our little rockers. I think they'll fit. I hope they will. And yeah, here's the view, the street. Nothing too crazy. Okay, so here we're gonna go up to the 3rd floor, guys. We lived in a 3rd floor in our apartment, so here we are again, 3 floors, but in a townhouse. So this first bedroom here is going to be Noah and Caleb's room. They're gonna share a room for the first time. So that'll be interesting. But here's the bedroom. And they have this really large walk-in closet and a little attic up there. But this is pretty big. I'm actually thinking of making this a little play area, probably for Caleb with all his toys and just some toys for Noah too. And here is the bathroom. So I have 3.5 bathrooms now. So lots of toilet scrubbing in my future, going from 2 bathrooms to 3.5. But yeah, I'll probably also add a frame here to the mirror. But lots of natural light in here, which is really, really nice. And over here we have a linen or storage closet where I'm probably gonna put in all of my throw pillows that I use for my seasonal decor and things like that. And right here is the master bedroom. It is carpeted, guys, but it's really nice plush carpet. It feels really good. And I love this little window here. It's kind of got like a little sitting area, little nook over here. And here's the closet. So really tall ceilings will make up for it not being a walk-in closet, but then again, my closet right now is not very big. So this will be just fine for us. And this is my husband's favorite part, is the master bathroom. If you guys have seen our other house tour, our bathrooms are tiny, and this is a nice big old double vanity whirlpool tub and shower. Sorry, it's really echoey in here. All together in one big room. And yeah, I'm not loving these, but you know, we'll see what we can do. I heard the owner is pretty flexible. But yeah, lots of natural light again in here. I love it. Tile. And there it is. All right, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this home tour. We're, you know, getting excited here. It wasn't a change that we were expecting to make, but here we are. God has blessed us with a new place, and we're gonna be excited to just make it our own. And I'm looking forward to just decorating, and I have lots of cleaning to do because they cleaned the unit, but it wasn't like a deep clean, so it really needs some deep scrubbing in all the cabinets, fixtures, all that kind of stuff. So I'll be probably filming that. But yeah, I can't wait to decorate for like summer and, you know, just show you how we're gonna do our everyday decor in like the playroom and the boys' room and things like that. So I will be filming the entire process, and I apologize for just this crazy, like, one of a sudden we're moving, because that's just how it happened. But I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.